Hello everyone, welcome back to my gardening and growing channel. So today is November 15th, and what I'm going to do is I have some leftover garlic here, hardneck garlic. You can see, not too big of cloves, but not too awful. And I have these walking onions that I forgot to plant in the garden plot. I see there's one sprouted there. So what I'm going to do is put some garlic in this pot and then put some walking onions in this other pot and see how well they overwinter and if I can grow them in pots. I'm pretty sure I can, but we shall see. So what I'm going to do is put some this bone meal in there in the pot and some of this fertilizer. So what I'll do is kind of sprinkle it on the top like so, maybe a handful each one. Now the bone meal. This bone meal smells kind of weird, I don't know why. But sprinkle the bone meal. So just go ahead and mix it in. Now this is really the only amendments I've done is putting this fertilizer in here. The potting mix is relatively new from late summer when I had some herbs in here, so I think it'll be fine. So mix it in really good. So what I'm going to do is just kind of push these into the soil. No reason to dig because it's pretty soft, so I'll just push them in like so. 2, a couple inches down, and 3. Then I'll cover them up. So that's what I'm going to do with the garlic. So that's in the pot now. And now I got a bunch of these, so many. So I'm just going to push them throughout the pot. And so you're going to want to put, if you do these, this side down, so it's always this pointy side up. You can tell this right here was the root end. So I'll push these through the pot, into the pot like so, a couple inches down. Kind of just do it all over like that. Just kind of randomly scatter them throughout the pot. And then we'll see what they look like in the spring. And I'd water them in, but I'm really not going to just because it's supposed to rain tomorrow and this soil's a little bit damp, so they should be fine. One other thing I'll do is I'll go ahead and put these pots up against my house just to give them a little extra warmth. It kind of creates another zone of protection. The house gives off the heat in the winter, so it'll keep the pot a little warmer. So hopefully they'll sprout in spring, but I think they will. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.